For you to function properly, the cells in your body need water. Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Mercy Mary, popularly known as a nurse with the difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for students. Today, we are going to be talking about 15 benefits of drinking water. 15 benefits of drinking water. Sincerely, I'm going to tell you about me a little. I don't used to drink water, but thank God my husband took a close look at me and made sure that I formed the habit of drinking water. But before we go into details, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. For our returning subscribers, I say thank you. Let's go there. Alright, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be sharing with us 15 benefits of drinking water. The first I have to share with you is the fact that water helps to lubricate the joints. You see all these joints, water helps to lubricate it. And you have to know that the joint contains cartilages. These cartilages in the joint, they are made up of 80% of water. So if you don't take water, you reduce the ability of your joint to absorb shock, and that can lead to what? Joint pain. So that is why you have to take what? Enough water. Then the second benefit of taking water is that it helps to improve your saliva, those mucus in your mouth. You know that when you eat, that saliva helps the food to mix properly, and it also helps the food to digest properly. So when you don't take enough water, you won't have enough saliva. And when there is not enough saliva, when taking your food will not mix properly, and it will not also digest properly. Then the third benefit of drinking water is that it delivers oxygen throughout the body. You will agree with me that the blood is made up of 90% water, and that same blood contains the oxygen carrying capacity. So if you are not taking enough water, definitely there's going to be what? A problem with the volume and the amount of your blood. So you have to what? Take enough water and stay hydrated. Then the other point I have to share with you is that it boosts the skin and your health. So if you don't take enough water, your skin is going to be looking dehydrated. It's going to give you premature wrinkles. When you are not old, you'll be having premature wrinkles all over your face. So you have to take enough water to boost your skin health, to ensure that your skin is looking fresh and good. So for those that are using all the skincare products in the world and you are not taking enough water, you are doing your skin more than good. Please take enough water so your skin will be very, very healthy. The fifth function or the fifth benefit of water is that it cushions the brain and spinal cord. It helps to keep your brain alive. It helps to keep your brain active. So if you are not taking enough water, you are going to be dehydrated, and that can lead to confusion. You'll not be able to think straight. So you better stay hydrated, so when I ask you questions, you'll be able to answer, and also when I produce videos, you'll be able to retain what I just taught you. So if you are not taking enough water, take enough water. If you are not thinking properly, take enough water so it can cushion your brain, it can cushion your spinal cord, and everything will be perfectly okay. Then the sixth benefit of taking water or drinking water is that it helps to regulate the body temperature. If you don't take enough water, you see your temperature, you're like, oh, my body is hot, am I sick? What's wrong with me? This is a cause of you not taking water. So that is why you have to take water to help you regulate your body temperature. In the hospital, when we are having a patient that is running temperature, that's having temperature rise of 38, 37, we encourage them to take water, because water goes a long way to lubricate the body, to regulate the temperature. I mean, that's the word I want to use. So when you take water, it helps to regulate your body temperature. So for those that are having hyperthermia every 2 minutes, if you take water, it will help to reduce it. Sometimes your increase in body temperature is not based on the fact that you are sick, you are having malaria, or you are stressed out. It's as a result of you not taking enough water. The seventh benefit of drinking water is that the digestive system depends on water. You will agree with me that if you don't drink enough water, definitely there's going to be more constipation. You know, constipation, your fecal matter will be very, very strong, and it will be difficult for you to pass out fecal matter. So it is advisable you drink what? You drink water. Even if you don't drink water regularly, you're going to experience heartburn. You're going to be, I'm having heartburn, my chest is paining me. So it's advisable you drink water so you can pee. You can also poo easily with no stress. Then the 8th benefit of drinking water is that it helps flushes your body. It helps to cleanse your body. It helps to remove waste. If you are drinking enough water, all those waste in your body, the water helps to flush it out. That's why those that are drinking enough water, their urine is clean. It's not concentrated. It's not like a Coke. It's not like a beer. Like thick beer. I don't mean normal beer. So if you drink enough water, it helps flush your system. It helps to remove those waste products. The 9th benefit of drinking water is that it helps maintain blood pressure. If you don't drink enough water, your blood becomes thick and it's going to flow at a high pressure. That's the layman's language, the description. So you have to drink enough water so your blood will not be very, very thick and it will not increase the blood pressure. The number 9 benefit of drinking water is that the airway needs it. This airway that you used to breathe in and breathe out needs water. So if you are not drinking enough water, it's going to restrict your airway because the body is trying to minimize water. For those that are asthmatic, it might worsen it. So if you are asthmatic, please try to take enough water. Another benefit of drinking water, which is number 11, is that it makes minerals and nutrients accessible to the body. If you drink enough water, these nutrients dissolve in water and they are able to get to the various parts of the body. Then in number 12 benefits of drinking water is that it helps to prevent kidney damage. Yes, if you don't take enough water, you are going to be prone to kidney problem. You are going to be stressing your kidney. You are going to be causing problems to your kidney. So if you like your kidney, drink enough water, stay hydrated so your kidney will be happy with you. Then number 13 benefit of drinking water is that it helps to boost your exercise performance. Yes, it makes you active. If you drink water, it boosts your exercise performance. Research has said so. Then the 14th benefit of drinking water, it helps with weight loss. So instead of you consuming all those caffeinated drinks, all those sweet drinks that contain sugar, Coke, Fanta, and all those drinks, instead of you consuming it, now you are taking water. It will go a long way to help you burn that fat. Last benefit of drinking water, which is the number 15, it helps you prevent hangover. You know, when you take a lot of alcohol, you are going to hang over. Most people that are not used to it, but if you drink water, it will serve as an alternative for taking alcohol, so you not start doing all other things. So it's better for you to alcohol, beverages, or water. Please go for water so you don't get hangover. It helps you to reduce your chances of getting hanged over. Hunger. So that's the last benefits of drinking water I have to share with you. I hope this 15 benefits of drinking water reminds you daily to take water like never before. Consume water so your body will be hydrated, your skin will be fresh, and everything will look okay. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. If you are a nursing student and you have not registered for our classes on Telegram, sincerely, you are missing a lot. All you have to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen so that you can have access to all our videos on the various systems: cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, research in nursing, management in nursing, community health nurses. We have voice notes for all of them that simplifies lecture as much as possible. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching our video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. That's just a reminder. Bye.